we'll guide you through how to link Google Sheet into WordPress. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To successfully link your Google Sheet into WordPress, first open the Google Chrome browser on your desktop or laptop computer. Click the address bar at the top of your browser window. Type WordPress into the address bar to find the official platform. Press the Enter key to begin the search. Click the official WordPress link from the search results to land on the homepage. Click the Start My Site button found in the center of the page. Choose Continue with Google to log in fast and securely. Select the Google account you want to link to your WordPress profile. Read through the permissions page and click Continue to go ahead. Write a name for your website if you are creating one for the first time. Click the Search Domains button to see what web addresses are available. Choose the domain that suits your project the most. Click Add to Cart beside the web address you have decided on. Click Continue to head to the next step. Choose Start with a free plan from the pricing list on screen. Click Continue with Free Plan to enter your site dashboard. Pause for a few seconds while your WordPress dashboard finishes loading. When the dashboard appears, spot and click Quick Links on the right side of the screen. Click Write Blog Post from the Quick Links list. Click the title field and type a title for your blog post. Click the body area below the title to start putting in your content. Click the plus button on the right side to bring up the block options. Find and click Button from a list of available block choices. Type the label you want to appear on the button, such as View Google Sheet. Click the link icon on the toolbar attached to the button block. Paste your Google Sheet link into the URL field provided. Click the link suggestion that shows up to confirm and save the link. Click Publish to make your blog post live on your website. Go back and click on a blog post you just published to open it. Click the Google Sheet button inside the blog post to check that the link works correctly. Your sheet is connected.